Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of oats, a superfood that has been gracing breakfast tables for centuries. But there's more to oats than just a comforting bowl of porridge. Join us as we uncover the incredible health benefits packed into these humble grains, turning your morning routine into a powerhouse of well-being. From the sun-kissed fields to your bowl, oats have been a staple in diets around the world, offering not just a delightful taste, but a treasure trove of nutrients that your body will thank you for. So what makes oats a nutritional powerhouse? Get ready to be amazed as we explore the science-backed benefits that make oats a must-have in your daily routine. From heart health to digestion, oats have got it all covered. Let's get started on this journey to oat-standing health. First and foremost, oats are rich in dietary fiber, with a significant portion being soluble fiber known as beta-glucans. This high fiber content helps create a feeling of fullness and satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. As a result, individuals may consume fewer calories throughout the day, which can contribute to weight management. The beta-glucans in oats have been shown to slow down the digestion process, leading to a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slower digestion helps control appetite by keeping blood sugar levels stable and preventing rapid spikes and crashes that can trigger hunger. Oats have a low energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories per gram. However, due to their fiber and volume, they take up more space in the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness. This extended satiety can help individuals feel satisfied for a more extended period, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various dishes, from traditional oatmeal to smoothies, granola bars, and baked goods. This versatility makes it easy for individuals to enjoy the benefits of oats in a way that suits their preferences and lifestyle. Did you know oats are widely recognized for their positive impact on heart health? Oats contain soluble fiber called beta-glucans. This fiber has been shown to help lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Beta-glucans work by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, thereby promoting a healthier cholesterol profile. The beta-glucans in oats may also have a positive effect on blood pressure. Studies suggest that regular consumption of beta-glucans may help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Oats contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as avenanthramides. These substances have been associated with reducing inflammation in the arteries and may contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Some research indicates that the regular consumption of oats may improve the function of blood vessels, promoting better arterial health. This can be attributed to the combination of fiber, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds found in oats. Several large-scale studies have linked the consumption of whole grains, including oats, to a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The combination of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in oats contributes to a heart-healthy diet. Additionally, as we said before, oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, helping to soften stools and promote regular bowel movements. The soluble fiber in oats adds bulk to the stool and helps move it through the digestive tract more easily. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with constipation, as oats can contribute to more regular and comfortable bowel movements. Oats contain prebiotics, which are compounds that nourish the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is crucial for digestive health, as it supports proper nutrient absorption and can contribute to a well-functioning immune system. For some individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, incorporating oats into their diet may provide relief from symptoms. However, this varies from person to person, and it's important to monitor individual responses. The combination of insoluble and soluble fiber in oats promotes gastrointestinal regularity. While soluble fiber helps with stool consistency, insoluble fiber adds bulk, preventing constipation and supporting a healthy digestive system. Oats are generally well tolerated and easy to digest for many people. They are often recommended for individuals with sensitive digestive systems or those recovering from gastrointestinal issues. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, Oats are considered a nutrient-dense energy source, providing a rich array of essential nutrients in a relatively small serving size. They are a significant source of complex carbohydrates, which are the body's primary energy source. Unlike simple carbohydrates that cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, the complex carbohydrates in oats provide a steady release of energy, supporting sustained physical and mental activity. Oats contain a moderate amount of protein, making them a valuable plant-based protein source. While not as high in protein as animal products, oats contribute to meeting daily protein needs, especially when combined with other protein sources in the diet. They also provide various vitamins, including B vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folate. These vitamins play crucial roles in energy metabolism, nerve function, and overall cellular health. Oats are a good source of minerals like manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals are essential for bone health, enzyme function, and the regulation of various physiological processes in the body. Oats provide a well-balanced combination of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fat, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritionally dense food choice. Lastly, the beta-glucans in oats have been associated with improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. Improved insulin sensitivity means that cells respond more effectively to insulin, promoting better blood sugar control. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Oats have a relatively low glycemic index, indicating that they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar compared to high GI foods. This is particularly advantageous for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Consuming oats with meals can contribute to the stabilization of post-meal blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in oats delays the emptying of the stomach and slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in a more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. The unique properties of oats, especially their beta-glucan content, have led to studies suggesting that incorporating oats into the diet may be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Oats can be part of a balanced diet aimed at managing blood sugar levels in those with diabetes. And there you have it, folks. The journey through the nutritional wonderland of oats has been nothing short of amazing. From the farm to your plate, oats bring not just a comforting bowl of goodness, but a myriad of health benefits that can transform the way you approach your well-being. Whether you're starting your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal, blending oats into your morning smoothie, or experimenting with oat-based recipes, you're embracing a delicious and wholesome journey toward a healthier lifestyle. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.